and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. Every week on Mondays, we spotlight YouTube channels we know that you will learn from and enjoy. All the channels introduced this week have a clickable link below the video. To access the video links below, simply click the More button and use the link next to each channel. Visit, subscribe, and like all the channels in this week's UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. The first channel of the week was selected by Robin Espich and is Girly Girl Creates Michele H, owned by Michele Hartley. Here's a bit about her and her channel. I started with making handmade journals and am slowly branching into mixed media, which is pushing my comfort zone. I am new to the YouTube community and a bit shy about putting up videos or live streams, but I'm getting there. The direction of my channel for 2021 is to share my crafting projects and inspiration with others in the community. I am currently working on a collaboration with a crafting friend to upload weekly videos on creating projects for use in handmade journals. I would like to get more involved with the challenges of crafty creators on YouTube and post videos of those experiences as well. The second channel of the week was selected by Teri S and is Larkin Lane Creations, owned by Elaine Larkin. Here's a bit about her and her channel. Elaine has been some sort of crafter her entire life. In her early days, it was pottery and watercolor. Her focus for the last few years has been to use what she has, and boy, does she have a lot. And she shows us what she does with it. She has videos, of course, doing journals and ATCs, but also using many of the different samples she gets from her job at a general contractor's. She is now going to start a new series called What's on My Crafting Tables? She has 7 tables in her studio, and she always has things she's working on all over them. She releases a new video every Tuesday. The third channel of the week was selected by Lippincott and is Secret Squirrel Aimee, owned by Aimee Furman. Here's a bit about her and her channel. Aimee is a talented crafter with a beautiful aesthetic. She's been on YouTube for 2 years and makes journals and snippet rolls, among other things. Check out her channel for inspiration and lots of live sales. She gives back to our community through fundraisers, so let's show her some support and help her get to 300 subscribers. The fourth channel of the week was selected by Sheila Figueroa and is Bonnie Overman, owned by Bonnie Overman. Here's a bit about her and her channel. She says she's been creating her whole life. Fashion and decor was her passion. But later, she loved scrapbooking and was active in competitive table scrapping. Her current love is turning something old into something new by using Kleenex boxes for tags, cards, etc. Most of all, she loves to inspire others to create in their lives. The fifth channel of the week was selected by Cara Brandon and is Wynglass, owned by Wynglass. Here's a bit about her and her channel. is an amazing paper crafter who enjoys making journals, participating in creating Happy Mail swaps, scripture journaling, as well as sharing crafty hauls on her channel. Ebony found the love for junk journals in 2017. She recently made a beautiful gratitude journal that you can see on her channel. Hope you join Wynglass on her crafty adventure. Stop by her channel and you will love it. Thank you for joining us in this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. We will see you again with the next UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week and even more excellent YouTube channels. If you would like to be considered as a member of the UCC group and you have a YouTube channel and a Facebook group of at least 200 members, email us at uccgroup2021@gmail.com. We also have several other membership levels available. One for those who have under 200 members in their groups, and another for those who only have a YouTube channel or a Facebook group but not both. For more information, email us at uccgroup2021@gmail.com. The founders of UCC are Robin Espich from Uniquely Robins, Teri S from Sweet-Pea Papers, and Lippincott from Vintage Rose Creations by Kim. Visit all of our members, associates, and friends pages and groups as well. Have a great week, and we'll see you next Monday.